Here is the 1980 International Harvester Scout turbo diesel. Do just a walk around of it. The turbo diesel sticker on the back is something I bought off of a member of the Binder Bulletin forum at the time. As you can see, for a Northeast car, it's in pretty good shape. The roof has some light pitting, as well as a little bit on the hood, but it's not too bad. The only real areas with rust through was this spot here, which I attempted to repair to keep it from spreading a while back, and you can see that repair cracked. And then if you open the passenger side door, this is also in the photo, but you'll see a small spot of rust there in the front corner. Okay, and I'm going to bring it around and start it. It's been running for a few minutes, so you can see a warm start. Probably won't even need the glow plugs. Just turn the key, push in the fuel cutoff. Starts right up without the plugs. Pop the hood. That's the Nissan turbo diesel. You can see the openings for better airflow in the intake. You can also see the 3-inch exhaust off the turbo with the pyrometer. Around to the other side. Here you can see the injection pump, and it has no AC, so there's a big open spot. If anyone wants to do a conversion to biofuel, if you're going to do a 2-tank system, this is a great spot for the diesel tank.